Soft. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Nia. Today's video I'm going to be unboxing the Ugg Fluff Momma boots. I got the tall ones. I know I literally just did an Ugg unboxing of the Ugg Funkettes. Make sure you go check that out. But I saw these shortly after I ordered my Uggs, the Funkettes, and I had to get them. So today I'm going to be showing you guys what I got. I'm super duper excited. Like I mentioned in my other video, I love Uggs so much. Like nothing will ever make me not Uggs. I also saw this tweet earlier this week that was like, if you don't like Uggs or if you think Uggs are ugly, I'm convinced you can't dress. And I really feel that way. Like the Uggs, first of all, their styles are endless. They always have been, and I feel like Uggs can literally go with anything as long as you know how to style them and make them work for your personal wear. But before we get into this video, Uggs of course will be linked down below. But before we get into this video, make sure you guys are following my LTK or like to know at Nia G, where I post like more frequent updates of things that I love and buy. Right now I have a holiday gift guide of all of my favorite things on there, and I post my daily outfits. Also, make sure you are following my new Instagram at with one purpose. I don't think I'll be making my other Instagram public ever, so just follow me there as I come more into my own personal style. I want to focus more on styling my favorite things while I share them in depth on my YouTube channel. So make sure you are subscribed to my channel if you have not already, and follow my Instagram, which links every single thing that I wear, shows all of my outfits and how I mix them up, so you get frequent updates and don't have to wait once or twice a week for an unboxing video. Now let's get into this video. For some reason you can see the picture of the Uggs on the outside of the box, which was like very different than what I'm used to. I know that they usually do not have a picture of the Uggs on the box. It's usually just the box inside of the box. But these Uggs were $220 for this height. They do come in white, pink, and brown. And the short, cute little ones, which are the ones that I saw first, those retail for $130. And last I checked, because I wanted to get these first and then get the short pink ones, the short pink fuzzies, they were sold out. So make sure you shop around, look around, check Nordstrom, Saks. I did see them on Farfetch, the tall ones that I got for like $300, and that's ridiculous, especially because they're still in stock. So make sure you just check different places. I know some people would prefer to shop at Farfetch, maybe over another website, but just make sure you look around because everywhere has a different value for Uggs. My favorite place to get Uggs is Ugg or Ugg Closet, and I feel like you can get a lot of exclusives sometimes from the Saks store if you want to go in person. So that is another option. Okay, so unlike my other Uggs, these did not come in their own Ugg box. The box that I got is how they came. So if you are looking to order Uggs, just know that that is a possibility. So maybe the day that you're expecting to get them, I would say camp out maybe, or well, not camp out, but just make sure that you get them so that no porch pirates grab them, because I know it's a possibility in certain areas. Luckily that obviously didn't happen to me, but just know the picture is on the box on the outside. Maybe some people's are different. Let me know down below in the comments if you got them and if that's how yours came. But that's why I like to do unboxing videos, so we all can see the little differences in our packages and how we get our stuff. So I'm already kind of feeling this look of the boot because it is wrapped in this tissue paper that I've never seen before. It says Ugg Feel Good, from plant to plush, faux fur, upper with Sorona, an eco-efficient performance fiber made in part from annually renewable plant-based ingredients. So that is good to know, especially if those kind of things are important to you. You can see the fur peeking out. You can see the platform. I'm super duper excited. I guess this part of the box fell off. It was the little string that I guess you hold the Uggs by. Beautiful. I'm like super excited. They're super soft already. Like, I just love a fresh pair of Uggs. They feel so good. Like, look at this. So damn soft. So soft. Honestly, I think I'm gonna throw the box away. It is big. I had to get that thing off my lap and out of my way, but that box is big, so I'm not sure how I'm going to store these, but I'm definitely gonna want to protect them extra close. Maybe I'll find another box of another pair of boots that are super tall so that the fur can stay nice and fresh, as I know I'm going to want to wear these out like crazy, but I'm just obsessed with how they look. So I'm gonna unwrap them. I guess they've been wrapped for some time because the fur is very soft. These remind me of those Uggs that were super popular a few years ago, and like all of the pop-in it girls had them, and every time I tried to get them, they would sell out. Ooh, they have a zipper on the side. A zipper on the side. So if you're worried about getting how you're going to get your leg in, if you have thicker calves, these boots are for you. I'm definitely going to keep the stuffing in these because these are not as firm as I would have expected them to be. So that is also another good thing. So this is a plus for the thicker thighed girlies. You can see straight in the boot. They're very soft. They're bendable. I really was expecting them to be stiff. So I guess the fact that they're one, not stiff, and two, have a zipper is a really good thing. So that was a perfect zip. It does have the lambskin right here, and it is white. That is amazing. That is amazing. They have the UGG logo going down the side. It has the same like three-peat of the cream, the white, a little metallic. That colorway, that color story is amazing. The thick UGG platform, so it is the typical texture of the UGG. So mini update on my Funkettes. They did take some breaking in for the foam because it is thicker, and it's a little bit thicker than my UGG Trans Pride collection soles, but they eventually do wear in and they don't bother me at all. They literally just feel like another pair of shoes. So I'm undoing the other shoes so you can see them side by side. One without the cardboard on the inside, and then this one has the cardboard on the inside, and this one's not like flopping over. It can stand on its own, but I gather just like any regular pair of Uggs, they will eventually start to soften and mold and lose their mold as time goes by. These are just so pretty. They're so pretty and so soft. The inside is the same, I will say, as the average pair of Uggs. These Uggs are really, really soft because the toe doesn't even stand firm, which I feel like Uggs normally do. So I'm guessing these are made of something softer, which would make sense because they are a platform shoe. And look at just how much material this is. Like, these need to have something to them to make them wearable, honestly. And I'm really excited that I saw these because I've always wanted a pair of moon boots, and I couldn't really decide on a color because there's so many colors of moon boots, but there was only 3 colors of these, and I was like, I'll get white, start from there, and then I can try moon boots in like something else in a color that they don't have, and maybe a short pair. And this is also perfect because I'm so familiar with Uggs. I've never had a pair of moon boots before that I was like, let me just stick with what I know. And if I still feel the urge to get moon boots, of course I will, and I will share them with you guys. So look out for one day you'll click and rewatch this video, and I'll be linking a pair of moon boots. So yes, these are the Uggs. I'm super excited. Of course, I'm going to give you guys a close-up and show you how they look on my feet. Look at these Uggs. They're so pretty. This is the side with the logo. The fur covers it a little bit, so it is definitely probably noticeable, especially when the fur is all fluffed out. The platform is super duper thick, which I love. I do think the Ugg Funkettes are a little bit thicker, but they're still really, really pretty. I'm absolutely loving this color. If you guys have been noticing, I love white and cream and beige shoes. That is the main color of most of my footwear. Although I know it's winter and they're going to be dirty and you're not supposed to wear right and all that, I do not care. A look is a look, you know what I mean? So this is on the inside. This is where the zipper is on both sides, and this is the Ugg that doesn't have the stuffing in it anymore. I took it out and it falls over a little bit, but not too bad. And then this one, of course, is stiff, but like I mentioned, these Uggs are not super stiff, so they are very much wearable. And this part opens up really, really wide, so if you have thicker calves and you're worried about wearing a tall boot, no problem. Also, because they have a zipper, you will be able to get your foot in comfortably. I don't see them being too big on my calves, although I have like slimmer legs. So when I try them on, you guys will know for certain. I love how they feel. They're a size 7 because I always get a size 7 in Uggs. And they're literally the perfect size, not too tight, not too big. They do fill out a little bit more than I expected. Like my leg fits it, and obviously my legs aren't like super huge, but I do have a little bit of muscle. Don't sleep on me. So they do fill in the boots, but still safe for the girls with bigger calves because there is extra room. Also, when I put my foot in, I did have to unzip it because it was like pretty tight right there, but it's not like tight up here. But these are the boots. Very cute, very fun. I love the like fur look. Very much ski lodge, snow vibe, snowstorm, like the cute pictures of the girls in the bikinis and they have on the big fur moon boots or whatever. This is definitely what I'm getting from these. I absolutely love these. I'm probably gonna style these with like a skirt. Doubt I'll style them with like jeans or something. Maybe it would still work with jeans or like a unitard or something. That would be really, really cute. But love them. And I love the fit. They're giving Cookie Monster. That is all for today's video. I absolutely love these boots. If you missed out on the other pair of Uggs, you guys know which one I'm talking about. Super furry, super fluffy, cover the toes. You can get these. It's like a more upgraded version of these. These come up a little bit taller so that the fur is not on the ground, it's not dragging. We won't worry about it getting dirty. They don't come in black just yet, which I would love to see. Definitely stay tuned to see if I get the short pair. I would love the short pink pair. Definitely make sure you guys are following my LTK if you are not already, for my updates and how I will style these on a day-to-day basis. And make sure you're following my new styling Instagram at With One Purpose. I will link all of that below, and these shoes will be linked down below. And if you choose to purchase these shoes, I will make a small commission. But that is all for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you check out all of my other hauls and unboxings on my channel. I'm sure you will find something that you loved, especially if you love this video. So make sure you give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time.